What's up, guys? Welcome back to Off-Road Diaries. This is not going to be a long video. It's going to be more of an update video for the things that are to come for the next 2 or 3 weeks. I've got a ton to do, and I just wanted to give you guys an update. I do have a question before I go any further, and I'm going to base my decision on what you guys say after watching this video. I don't even know if there'll be a lot of people watching the video because it's a simple video. There's nothing crazy going on. But if you're watching this simple video, that means you're like one of our really dedicated subscribers. So first and foremost, I'm debating going back to launching videos at 6 p.m., just watching analytics of things. I don't care about views a ton, but I do like to get y'all's attention on things. And I want to keep Sundays always at 6 in the morning because I like to get up on Sunday morning and just watch lots of YouTube. So I do enjoy watching the content that's just released on Sunday mornings. So we are going to stick to our schedule of Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, unless something crazy is just going on and I can't get to a video. That is my goal, is to still remain at 4 videos a week. But I do want to know, do you guys enjoy that I launch the videos at 6 a.m. in the morning, or would you care if it went to 6 p.m. at night? For you early morning people, I guess it doesn't matter. For you late people, I don't know. Anyways, neither here nor there. That's just asking you guys a question. So I wanted to give you guys an update about what we're doing this week. I've got a super busy week, really busy, starting tomorrow on Monday. Which y'all are watching this, it's actually Sunday night. Happy Mother's Day to everybody. I've got to finish up the supercharger on a Pro R. That'll be done by lunchtime tomorrow. And then after that, I have to get a customer's car in, and we got to do 4 wheel bearings and then 4 bushings on the upper control arms on that so he can pass inspection in Utah. That should take me several hours to do that. It's a lot of manual labor. Hopefully everything presses out nicely. And then after that, I've got to go pick up the little Ace 570 that we're building for Aiden. And if you're not familiar with that, Aiden is a 9-year-old grandson of one of our awesome subscribers. And we're building a really cool car for him. So there will be some more this week videos of that car. And we should have it fully completed by early next week. So I'm going to strip his car down Tuesday, and then get everything off to powder. Powder should take about 4 or 5 days. I can have that whole car back together in a day, so that's good. And then my goal is to have by Wednesday everything done that I need or can do done by Wednesday, pulling Lucille, our Pro R, back into the shop, and then doing all the electrical. So I'm going to run to Matt with MB Whips. We're going to pick up, he's building some custom colors or custom lights or something for me, but I need all the wiring for it, because putting the lights in is the easy part, but all the wiring's not. I've drawn out a diagram because we are running a lot of lights on this car. So I've drawn out a full diagram on it. This is going to be a super clean install. So it's going to take, I would say, between 10 and 12 hours of just solid wiring, which I hate doing that, guys. I do not like wiring stuff because I'm just really picky about how well I want it done and how clean I want it done. So that's going to be done Wednesday and Thursday. And then after all that's done, my powder coater told me that he would have my cage done first because I need the cage to go on before I really put a lot of the plastics on, because I don't want to mess up any of the plastics trying to put this cage on. So that's my goal, is to get all the wiring done by Wednesday night or Thursday. I'm going to burn the midnight oil on it. And then on basically Thursday night, my goal is to hopefully start putting all the plastics on, and it can be completely done by Friday with all the plastics after the cage goes on, of course. Then we have suspension stuff, which I will spend the whole weekend probably doing all my suspension on. Chris's parents are coming into town next weekend, so I do have to, be cordial with the family and hang out with them. And then they're gone. They're just passing through for a night. So then I'm hoping to God I can have the Pro R done completely by Sunday, if not Monday. Will it work like that? I don't know, because I want to go to St. Anthony's. But the caveat to it is I have to finish the 570 before I go to St. Anthony's. Which is not hard. That's actually the easiest of my problems. It's just a lot of labor. So all the parts are ordered for the Razor 570. It's just waiting for powder at this point. Cody messaged me today and said, "Jonathan, I'm done." And I said, "Yay, I'm glad you're done." So there's going to be a lot of running around. I'm going to edit it for you guys. It might be quick edits. And for you guys that like the shop stuff, there's going to be a lot of it. And I might try to get different angles. Now that I finally really figured out these glasses, we'll have some more point of view content stuff. I may make all weekend of working on the Pro R. I may make it a live stream. I don't know if that's something you guys would be interested in or not. I would say that I'll try my hardest not to cuss and throw stuff, but it may happen. So if you guys are interested in a live stream this weekend versus videos, let me know. Comment below. Tell me. I've always wanted to do a live stream, but I don't know. Then I have other things in the works. I did sell my turbo kit. A guy wired me the money. So the next line item on my list is boost. So the real question is, do I boost it before invasion? And I know what you guys are thinking. What direction are you going? I'm not going to tell you, but I bet you know which direction I'm going. So I know that I could get Colt up here to help me out. And I know I have some awesome friends that will come help me out if I ask. And I might just have to do that. I might just have to throw in the, what do you call that? Not the white flag, because that's surrender. We're not doing that. I don't know. But either way, I'm probably going to have to call some friends in for help. It's just a ton of work. Even just painting this car, guys, I'm going to have between the back and the forth and the, even though they're only 5 minutes away and everything else, I'll say I'll have easily 20 hours into just the painting. And I don't mean me painting. That's not even talking about what Kevin's doing. I'm talking about like disassembling the car, putting it back together, doing it really nice and clean and the right way, not breaking stuff. So it's a lot, guys. So anyways, I don't want to ramble a ton. I had a great day with Krista. We took her out. We gave her her gifts, gave her some shirts that I found on Doodad, which I thought were hilarious. And then Miles gave her a little ring that we got her, and we gave her some cards. And we went to brunch, and then after that, we went to Crystal Hot Springs, and we spent some time there, which is really nice. So we did have a good day together, and I just didn't touch anything in the shop. I just enjoyed a Sunday with the wife and the kiddos. So I guess that's it, guys. I'm super excited. You're going to see here in the next 10 days, you're going to see the full reveal, which I plan on doing the actual reveal video at St. Anthony's. That's my goal. So it'll be 2 Sundays from now when that video probably comes out, I guess. So that's what's happening, guys. That's what's going on. We will be at Invasion. We're throwing this awesome off-road rave in the middle of the desert out there like we did last year. We're going to do it again this year. And I'm trying to make it at least for 2 days to St. Anthony's just as a shakedown. So if you're a subscriber and you're in Utah and you want to be part of this build and put your hands on the car, you are welcome to join me. I will not say no. Unless you're one of those crazy subscribers. That's not you, is it? I'm talking to you. I'm just joking. I hope not. So anyways, we love you guys so much. Sorry this is a simple video, but I wanted to update you guys what was going on. And Wednesday, you'll see a lot of me running around. So see you guys soon. Love you. Bye.